This is a shatterproof, heat-proof, BHP-free plastic water jar for use with the TLC-8000JAR Aromatherapy and Herbal steamer machine. Easy fill. After securely installing this jar to the bottom of the steamer, it can be filled by removing the aromatherapy/herbal basket and pouring tap water through the opening. Useful tips: add tap water before plugging the unit in. When inserting or removing jar, always make sure the steamer and UV are turned off and cooled down. Every night drain the jar by unscrewing the plug in the bottom of the jar, then leave the plug out and remove the herbal basket so the insides of the steamer can dry out overnight. Add tap water to the steamer through the herbal basket located on top. Pull the herbal basket from the top of the steamer and then pour tap water to the desired level. Replace the herbal basket before turning back on. Note: dampen the two O-rings, red and clear, to ease insertion and removal. Only remove the jar for extended cleaning. Caution: only use tap water. Distilled water, filtered water, and bottled water will cause the machine to turn off. Return policy will be executed under the following terms. Returns are accepted under the stipulation it is within 30 days from delivery date, verified by package tracking number. Buyer is responsible for return shipping cost in order to guarantee a full refund. Ships next business day. ABS plastic steamer jar. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.